Today we're playing Holiday Play-Doh Egg Surprise. I wonder what we'll find. Wow, we found a Squishmallow. He's a little shark. Just look at that sharky face. He has a cute little tail and a little dorsal fin. We found a fireplace. This will keep us warm and toasty for the holidays. And look, we found Christmas stockings. We can hang them on our fireplace. There we go. Perfect. A little table. Not just any table. Look, it has a little light. It's a xylophone. We found a little doll. She's so cute and tiny. Let's wrap her up. It's a Hatchimal. She's a little bunny. And she has little wings and a cute little pacifier. She'll make a perfect Christmas present. There we go. Wow, just look at this yummy holiday cake. I love holiday treats. We can put it right on our table. Pretend delicious. We found a Squinky surprise capsule. It's a little bird. She's so cute. We found a teddy bear. He's so cute and tiny. And huggable. Let's wrap him up. We can use our surprise egg for our Christmas tree. This looks great. We can put our presents around our Christmas tree. This looks amazing. This was so super duper fun. Thank you all so very much for playing today. Happy holidays.